in this evening, Friday evening.
Walaikum Assalam.
Yes, so we are talking about daily about the interviews. Okay, so how to handle the interviews? We have seen different types of interviews also. So basic screening interview, interviewer will pose a question about yourself, then followed by your behavioral questions also. We have seen in last classes. So today also same thing will have about that presentation. Okay, so let us we have a presentation on this different types of interviews. Okay, so interview, can you say anybody like what is an interview?
If a person are taking interview, so to observing the skills or judging the persons, who who is he, who
Okay.
those persons are capable, how much capable they are. So the interview it's must just like to express the persons to their skills or their qualities or their capabilities, how much they have. So this is just like this. So interview is just like to persons to know about the persons, each and everything.
Mhm. Uh, can we discuss? We have learned till now. We have gone through different uh, presentations. So, outcome of this learning. So, outcome of this learning is to ace an interview. Okay, you have to go through an interview very thoroughly. Okay, and second thing is learning outcomes. You have to. You are thinking like an employer. Okay, what sort of questions the interviewer will pose you. Okay, so these are the learning outcomes we are concluding, like how we can ace an interview, and we are thinking about like an employer, and we are correcting our okay common interview mistakes we are checking out, so that we can correct it and we cannot do the same common mistakes, isn't it? So this is our learning outcomes, isn't it? Yes. Have you come across anybody you want to discuss? So till now, what we have learned, what is the outcome of our learning daily? Just two points.
Like what we have to say, ma'am, like this our classes, what we have
Yes,
learned
yes.
about that.
Yes. Like learning outcomes. Okay, we have seen in last classes, we have seen about the different types of interviews, and we have gone through the thoroughly about what to say about yourself. So whatever our learning outcome, what outcomes it's coming out. So like outcome is we can ace an interview. It means we can go through the interview. Can I say that you can thoroughly can go through the interview initial screening?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say that this is the outcome of this previous sessions?
Yes, ma'am. Before that, we were like hesitation. Some hesitation was there, ma'am. That is not there now, and some fear was there, ma'am. Like, how can I speak in front of everyone? Whether my sentence will be right or wrong? That hesitation has gone.
Because of
Daily practicing the English lectures.
practicing. Good practicing. So if you are practicing means you are self confidence. You have self confidence. Okay, you know about the employer, how to prepare for the interview. Major points are how to prepare for the interview. First is practice. Second is go through the job description. Third is company profile. Know more about the company. Before this, you gone through these three things before going for the interview, before these classes? Have you ever concentrate that you have to go through the job description and the company's profile? You have worked before this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Before this, I have not worked. From these 2 months, I'm attending the classes. Now that very this is very important for the when we are going for interview. We need to uh, do homework for the company and the JD job
Yes.
description.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the second outcome, okay? And you are getting the questions also, okay? What sort of questions common, okay? Common interview questions they will pose, and how you have to, like, main basic is strength and weakness. So if we ask anybody what is your strength, like about yourself, you are including strength and weakness. So what you have to include, why you have to say about your weakness and strengths. Have you concluded what they will check as an interviewer? Why they are asking, why you are including in your resume, and why you have to say in front of the interviewer? Have you gone through like a conclusion you got? Any, what you have to say? Then in last classes we have discussed about the strength and the weaknesses.
Yes, ma'am. Strength, we can say, ma'am, no issue about the strength. But when we are saying weakness, we should be very careful. Like it should not impact to our interviewer that he has this weakness. If we hire this person, these are the weakness. It should not impact, ma'am. We have to say my weakness is like in the team, I will take decisions very quickly. Like we have to say the logical answer. Like we should not
Yes,
say I'm
yes,
very lazy. These types of answers we have to
yes,
avoid.
yes.
And we can say my
And if you
weakness is
have a
if
weakness,
yeah. Yes, yes.
honesty, we have seen for weakness, honesty, and the diplomatic. Okay, means I have this weakness, but I know this weakness. I am correct. I am overcoming that, and I have overcome like this. Now I don't have such weakness like that. So today also
Yeah,
we focus on
yes, ma'am.
strength and this one weaknesses also. Okay, and common interview mistakes we have to today will check it out for that. Okay, so I will share the screen. So so interview, what is an interview? Okay, you are conversation between two person, isn't it? Conversation between two person. So here learning outcomes, first is how to ace an interview and come away with the ability to think like an employer, how to avoid common interview mistakes, and what is the purpose of the job interview. Purpose of the job interview, we will check it out. Okay, so purpose of a job interview is an opportunity. Okay, job interview means you are getting an opportunity to face to face. Okay, and you got the opportunity to discuss about your qualification, okay, then ability, skills, and how you are fit to that particular job. You are, they will assess your ability, skills, and how fit you are to the to that particular job. Okay, and to demonstrate your skills and personality, you have to demonstrate your skills and personality, and self, and your to sell yourself. To your marketing yourself means you have to demonstrate your skills and personality, and what are the abilities and skills you have, and how you are fit. You have to convince that I am fit to that particular job by giving the different scenarios, by giving the strength and weakness. Okay, this matters a lot. He will judge, employer, this interviewer will judge that this candidate is fit for this job because he has given a justified answer, like he has these qualities, these, he has this strength, this kind of strength he has proved himself by giving a statement by his experiences. He had, you are sharing your experience also, previous experience. So by sharing your previous experiences, he conclude that you have this abilities, so now you are fit for the job. So most important thing in the interview is your strength and weakness. If you have convinced with this strength and weakness, means you have gone through the interview. So that time only he will offer you a letter. Okay, so you have to, qualification is basic one, and what are the abilities, qualities you have, skills. Okay, skills and personality. Personality means your qualities, and your skills means abilities you have to show by your experiences, by your projects, by your achievements. So you have to focus on 4 areas. Okay, qualification, skill set, then strength, then the achievement, experiences, most important thing. Then main question, really, if you are going for the interview, can you check it out whether really you want to do this job? Can you do the job? You just check it out for this. And will you like the job? Liking also is important thing. If you like that job, then only you, to achieve that, you will go through that by practicing. And if really you like that job, you will go through that. Okay, and will you be liked? Can employer will like you because you are fit for that job by your personality, skills, and your abilities and your skill set? So these are the main questions. And the types of interviews are there, we have seen also. Okay, in last class, what are the different types of interviews? Okay, face to face interview, site visits or groups, site visits and groups, presentation, job dependent, key personal, then technical or aptitude testing, or telephonic interview. Then the interview process. So if you are going for an interview, you should be very cool as a cucumber. Okay, because when you will get cool, if you have confidence, when you will get confidence, if you have research on the company and the job profile. So 4 hours, if you have done 4 hours, you will get confidence. That is research, role play, relax, realize. Research, role play, relax, realize. So first realize the things. If you have realized, you have researched it, and what role play you have to do, you got the opportunity to say about yourself. Okay, you have to do the marketing about your skills, your abilities, your personality. So you have to play a role of yourself, you have to present it. So research, role play, relax, realize, these you have to do. Okay, so because being calm helps us perform better. If you are cool or calm, so you will perform better. If you have any conjunction in your mind, any confusion, you won't go through that. Okay, so remember about the 4 things: research, role play, relax, realize. So then only you will be cool. And for the preparation, what for the preparation keys, practice. Okay, for the preparation, you have to practice. Once you get practice, you got the practice, and you have prepared well, you get the confidence. Okay, so for the confidence, preparation is the key. If you want to get confidence, so just practice it. Then interview process. For interview process, you have to plan it, research company and position, and develop list of potential questions you could be asked and responses. Role play the answers, practice makes perfect, and you have to wear what to wear, what to bring with you. Okay, this is the preparation for the interview. Okay, plan ahead, location, then research company, position, and assess your transferable skills and experience. Develop potential questions also. Okay, getting ready for the employers research. How you will first getting ready means you have to prepare for the company and the employers and the interviewer about that. So you have to go through the company's website. Then here we other resources: LinkedIn, Facebook, business media, work BC, job postings, your current network, So go through, you have to research accordingly through this. Then what is the biggest mistake you can make in a job interview? This is most important thing. According to recruiters, candidates make a biggest mistake in job interview. What are those? Knowing little to nothing about the company you are interviewing with. Why they will biggest mistake they will do? They are going to the interview without knowing about the company and the interviewer. Okay, about the JD also. So biggest mistake, you know, we come to know that this is the biggest mistake we are doing. So research before going about the company and the JD, job description. Then the process of preparation, you have to assess your skills and experience as it relates to the job. Related to the job only, you have to assess your skills in front of the interviewer. Okay, you have research about the job description, you know, based on that you have to assess your skills and experiences as it relates to the job. So job description and requirements, your job history, experience and skills. Already we have discussed about this. Okay, then common questions you may get: why do you want to work for us? Why should we hire you? Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Behavioral questions, technical or analytical questions, problem solving questions, or stumper questions. Okay, so practice makes perfect. So you have to do mock interviews. Okay, or other resources connect to interview e-module. You can do with this also, e-module, interview e-module. Okay, other resources. And most important thing is your body language. See, this is the pie diagram. 55% is your body movements, face, arms, and 38% your voice tone, modulation and pauses. 7% is your words. Okay, 7% is your words. So 50% body movement, face and arms. Okay, and your voice communication skill means you should have a voice tone, modulation in your speaking, and wherever you want to pause it, pauses also. So this give a good impact to the interviewer. This is most important. For this you have to practice. Okay, the next is the interview process. Why should you what should you wear? Business formal, business casual or casual? Okay, the interview process, you only have one chance at a first impression. Okay, during interview process you have the chance for the first impression. So how you are going to do that? Let's practice our first impression. Like, about yourself. What are the things you have to say in this question? About your school specialization, why, what skills made you think you think you would succeed in this field? Work, general overview of positions, industry, what are the key skills developed, used, extracurricular activities, fun, what do you do to chill out, why I am here today. So these are the, you have to focus on this. Okay, so general overview of position, your experience, what is your position at the present job, in the present job. Then the interview process, strengths and weaknesses. They will most likely then start about your strengths and weaknesses. Have examples of 2 to 3 strengths and examples from your personal school and work experience. Okay, today we have discussed about the strength. What are your strengths and weaknesses? So uh, how to write about your strengths is, example is, first you have to take the strengths from your personal, school or work experiences. strengths, 2 to 3 examples. You have to discuss, you have to say about your personal strengths from your personal and school and work experiences, and have a weakness that is something you are working on or is unrelated to the job. What sort of weaknesses you have to say? That something you are working on or is unrelated to the job, that sort of weakness you have to say. And strength is from your experience, work experience, and from your academics and your personal. Three things you have to include for the strength. Then time to brag means strength, how you have to prepare for the strength. First is example you have to say, and how you have used your strength, action, then result. Result means outcome. Okay, use real life experience and if possible quantify it. Quantify it means give the outcome, result. Suppose example here, I am excellent at business development. I created a new sales method that increased customer referrals over the last 2 years. I have exceeded my sales target by over 25%. Okay, action. What action you have done? You have this excellent business development you have. How you have proved? By you have increased in over the last 2 years, you have exceeded, you have targeted over 25%, so you have proved that. Then we are all human, so human being, they are not perfect. Okay, they have some sort of weakness. So how you are going to say that method of how you are improving, lesson learned, result. Okay, weaknesses, what sort of method you have adopted to improve, to overcome that weakness, and lesson learned and result. If your weakness is blatant, okay, so what ways is this asked? Grades, tell me about a time you failed. Then 3 minutes, write down a strength and a weakness. You will now, right now you can write it, two strengths and weaknesses according to this action result. Example we have. Then we move towards behavioral questions. Can you jot down strengths and weakness? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, we have strength and weakness like selected things, ma'am. That
Okay.
like in strength we have confidence, like creativity,
But you
and
have
in
to,
weakness,
yes, you have
okay.
to elaborate it, no?
Yes, yes.
Experience,
Uh,
like,
need to work, ma'am, to create the sentences.
so,
I
okay,
mean,
fine. So Monday, can we,
yes,
okay?
yes, ma'am. Inshallah. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then behavioral questions, past performance indicates future success. Provide examples of your past performance told in a story format that shows your skills in a positive way. Story is non-fiction, logical beginning, middle, and end. Easiest way to keep the interviewer engaged and listening. Okay, and how to answer behavioral questions. Star. Situation, task, action, results. For situation, you have to give it in a detail, the background, provide a context where, when, describe the challenge and expectations, what needed to be done, why, elaborate your specific action, what did you do, how, what tools did you use, explain the results, accomplishments, recognition, savings, etc. Quantify. If you have saved, result means you have saved this much of time. Okay, suppose example, the task is assigned to you and you have to accomplish that task in 1 week, but within 3 to 4 days you have accomplished that task. So this is the result. In short period you have done this. So this is the accomplishment of your task. Then you have recognized for the uh, from the team, they have teamwork, from the team you have recognized that you have done your task within the time period before that. Then example of behavioral question: describe a situation in which you were able to use persuasion to successfully convince someone to seeing things your way. Describe an instance when you had start something from scratch and what was the result. Give me a specific example of a time when your eye for detail prevented or solved a problem. By providing examples, convince me that you can adapt to a wide variety of people, situations, and environments. What was the most difficult decision you have made in the past year, and how did you make it? Then next class we'll move to technical. We'll work on this behavioral. Okay, let us have a discussion on this. Have you come across any sort of questions on behavioral questions like?
Situations, ma'am.
Yes, situations like you will get a situation, behavioral situation like customer or client. We have discussed already. If client arrived and your boss is, your team leader is busy in some other call, meeting, conference, so how you will attend that client? So how you have handled, you have to uh, say about this is the situation and how you have handled that, and action and result, what sort of result you got it. So individual, as an individual, how you have given a response to the client. He has come from abroad, he is now new in your place, in your office. So how you are going to handle it, and how you will um, discuss about the operation or your project.
First of all, greeting the clients and talk to the very comfortable way and tell them to be comfortable. You have arrived in our locations or like this types of questions,
Mhm.
and then describe the locations and describe the office or describe the project we are doing, and then to describe the
Culture
things.
also, okay, excuse me, sorry for the interruption. First you have to show the culture, okay, company culture. So first of all you should know the company, that is why mission, vision, culture, environment. So you have to how you are going to uh, uh, culture, how you will show the culture of the company. Like some protocol is there, okay, just have greeting you said, and then followed by, so he has come from abroad, so what sort of culture you will greet with the culture, like company's culture will be there, no, it will differ company to company culture.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so first you have to show the culture, company's culture. So how
Okay.
you,
And then describe the vision, mission, or like this types of target we have, and then to describe the project. He
okay.
has come from to this project, and we have to handle it to this project very carefully.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, try to clear the concept. If he has some doubts or like uh, do not clarify the things, so try to clarify, or we can say that to describe or summarize each and everything uh,
Okay.
when in the during time of to describing the project.
Mr. Akram, you just follow this star, okay? Accordingly, you just say it. Task, action, results.
Okay. So, okay. So first of all, situation and then task and actions. Specific
Situation, you
action.
said, then task, like challenges, expectations. What are the challenges you have? Like you said, no, about the project you will discuss, and what are the challenges you have come across, and how you have overcome those challenges, and what sort of actions, what sort of tools you have used. Then what is the result, you outcome you got it.
Okay.
Yes.
So tell them about the existing client, how to handle it like this. We have done so many project like task, and according to the point of the task, we have done so many project, and this is a very big project for us. And then actions to going to the actions. So elaborate the specific actions. What did you do? And we have using this types
Mhm.
of tools or like this, and we have a very high definitions tools we have,
Mhm.
or we can say that accomplish or quantify, or to describe the quantify the project. Ma'am, could you please tell me about the what is the means by quantify? You said I forgot that.
Yes, quantify means quality, okay? Means you have a outcome. This result I got, I have saved this. I have increased. This year we have our organization growth 25% compared to last year. So this you are quantifying that we have saved this much this year. Recognition means we have done this time according time also one of the quantifier, saving also one of the quantifier. Recognition, you got the recognition in the team that you have accomplished that particular work within the bound before the time bound. So this is the result, okay? This is the result. These results matters for any organization from the employee. Okay, so you are
Okay, okay,
submitting your like task before time, and you before time, if you are submitting your task, you are getting a new task. So like this you are proceeding ahead. So these things results they matters. That is why, so your whatever the strengths you are discussing, your achievements, so focus on this. Okay, based on this star: situation, task, action, and results. In this situation, how you have handled the situation, what sort of actions you have done, and tools you have used. Tools means like you have given you suppose if a angry client or a customer, so how you have handled, patiently you have handled that action you have used. Action, verb is your patiently you have handled that person. That is why you got the good result. The that customer is one of the complicated customer no one is handling from the organization. Every time he is a problematic customer. So but if you have the quality as an employee, so you can handle that complicated customer also. If you have you have thought about the actions how to resolve this customer. So first try to patiently you have to listen to the customer and try to understand what is the problem with him. Try to resolve, so it will resolve it. You can resolve it. So what are the tools you have used it to resolve that problem, and you got the result that now he has become a very good customer for the organization. And he is every time he from since 5 years he is belong to our company only, to our uh, organization. He is with us only, he is tie up with us only, because that person is profitable. But we are not understanding that customer properly, that's the he is becoming a problematic, but you have solved that. The results, you have results also you have to show. Situation, you have to problem solving qualities you should have. If you have a problem, come up with the solution. Don't discuss on the problem, discuss on the solution. Okay. Yes,
Yes,
continue
yes.
please, sir.
Uh, well, I describe all the things, ma'am.
Okay,
First
okay,
situation.
okay. So if you got anything, any scenario about the behavioral question, I will come up with the behavioral questions, scenarios. Meantime, will others will discuss about this, how you are going to
Uh,
handle.
Ma'am, which type of expectations? What needed to be done? Uh, just tell me about to this challenges and expectations.
Describe the challenge and expectations, what needed to be done. Suppose task is given to you. To accomplish that task, you get challenges. Okay. Suppose you have come across that you are not knowing, you have to expect challenge means you know you are not going to, you are not able to uh, correct that, modify that. So you will you want from the team to help it out. You will discuss the things. I got this challenge, just guide me. You are getting expectations. You expect that from your team. You want any help. You are not able to resolve this. Unless and until if we won't discuss the problem, we won't get any solution. So you are in your team, you are asking, you expecting from your team for the solution. Okay. So once you discuss, so you have to a better and best communicator. So communicate the things in proper way. So you have a challenge that you are not able to and you are not able to do this. So you will explain that this at this point I got some problem. I'm not able to, I'm doing, I'm okay. For any problem there are number of ways. You are going with one way, and other people they have other ways. So if you discuss, you will get the solution with other way. So that is, you are getting a challenge and you are expecting from your team and what needed to be done. So you're taking help. So that is why you should have a helping nature. You get strength. Why? So task you have, and you have challenges and expectations, and how you are going to do that task, that you have to describe. Then action, elaborate your specific action. Okay, anything? Yes, anyone?
Yes, ma'am. This star, ma'am, if we use in while working in the team,
Yes.
it will be very good, ma'am. Like
Yes.
first, if we go with the situation,
Mhm.
like we are dealing with one project.
Yes, yes,
First, we are giving one short summary,
yes.
like what we have prepared, what are the things, what we have to complete. Then, if we come to the task, like if we are having 7 to 8 members in a team, we are
Mhm.
dividing each and every module to everyone. Like
Yes.
example, one is taking back end, front end, one is
Mhm.
rectifying the errors and backup and restore everything, different modules.
Yeah.
And the action, ma'am, like we have to follow up. Like we have to use advanced tools and we have to follow what is the process,
Mhm.
where we are stuck in. We should improve that one,
Yes.
and the definitely results will be good, ma'am. And for the result we should, if the project deadline is 20 days, then we have to say we are having only 15 days, because
Yeah.
5 days we have to keep in spare.
Yes. Yes.
Because in the IT field, if they are giving any deadlines means it will not complete, ma'am, with some issues. Sometimes
Yeah.
errors
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
come,
Yeah.
so we
Yeah.
have to.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
that's it, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Very good. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yes. You're thinking a lot. Good. Good example you have shared with us. Nice. Okay,
Thank
as you
you.
have experience, you have shared good example. Yes. So it's a spirit of teamwork.
Yes.
Yes. So you in a team you have to convey the things. So you just try to build this. Okay. You should have a structure for any work. So if you have any task, you say that we will go according to this star. Okay.
Yes.
So star means situation, task, action, results. Everyone look for the results only. So if we know so say in the group, in the team, about the star, so that everyone can help you out in if you get any challenges. Good, you have
Yes,
said.
ma'am.
Yes. Next, anybody, please. Yes, anybody about star example. If we work, no, we will work. We have to practice. We are doing practice. Mr. Muhammad Amjad, please. A simple example for star. Yes, Muhammad Amjad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir, please. Yes, anybody, please. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For example, ma'am, this star can also have a situation like, ma'am, for example, we are working with one of the pharmaceutical company or this vaccine delivery company, example. So now, the people are very scared to take the virus.
Yes.
So how can we come up with some sort of idea wherein we create awareness among the people, so that they come up and, we have to educate the people,
Yeah.
we have been taking vaccines throughout our age, when we were born, we have taken the various, children undergo various vaccines. There is
Yeah.
basically a dashboard of vaccines that we have already taken, that polio, measles, and whole lot of things, but
Yeah.
we have never felt that those vaccines are not actually safe. So, ma'am, for example, in this situation, this thing got in my mind. Now the company can ask now, in all the executives. So our behavior is to make sure that we have to increase the people reluctant in taking this, coming up with the taking the vaccine shot. So what can we do for that? And how we can create the awareness among the people to come up and these sort of things. So, like, ma'am, this star is actually just like our goal achieving stuff. We have seen a smart technique. So this is very like a practical approach towards problem solving, ma'am. Like, basically,
Yes. Yes.
it's a very practical approach
Yes.
towards the problem solving. Why? Because, ma'am, usually what happens is, like, in the minute of meetings, or usually when we sit down, and when we can say, we can see, ma'am, what's happening throughout. So they are basically, they are discussing each and every time, but they are not doing any action. Since they are not doing any actions, and they are not getting the results. So with this technique, if we actually come up with any situation, so this I got an example, ma'am, instantaneously, about this, the vaccine and the various conspiracy theories and various news articles that we are coming around, we are going across. So with that, we can get, what idea do you have, so that we can actually come up with uh, encouraging more and more people to come up with this, ma'am. So it's something like that. So they, in any behavioral based or task based or project based, or wherein we have a timeline,
Yeah.
and we have been given a task.
Yes.
So if we actually give this suggestion, no, ma'am, this
Yes. Yes.
star, so it will give a very practical approach, and
Yes,
it
yes.
reflects that we have actually worked. You know, we know the corporate culture, the work culture.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
ma'am, I have been to a lot of people, though. They say that, you know, the students outside, they have very good knowledge about the technical side of it, but what goes inside the company is something, there, the work methodology, the workflow, the kind of what do you call, the parameters and the procedure with which they do the work, that only will come to know when we actually join, as brother
Yes,
Riaz
yes.
just now said in an example. So this is very, very practical and very, ma'am, effective approach, I believe, ma'am.
Yeah.
This star approach.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. That, ma'am, that's the thing.
We need to find the way. Okay, if you have the way or solution, if you have a thing, okay, so means culture, protocol, we can say that this is the protocol, okay, for a teamwork, we can say that. Yes, yes, I am audible. We
Yes, yes,
can
ma'am.
say that it's a protocol for teamwork, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Situation protocol means set of rules, isn't it? Protocol means set of rules. So if you have this rule of like STAR, situation, task, action, result, if you work on this, you get the results.
Yes, ma'am. It's basically it depends on understanding, ma'am. Understanding situation and behavior and doing
No,
taking some action, ma'am.
no, we should not say that. Okay, we should set a protocol. In our team, we have set a protocol. If everyone should follow this as a professional, you need to star. In our team, we have a build a protocol of star. So we have to go do accordingly, everybody in the team. So if we say in even at home also, if we make a rules, so there also you can do the work very smoothly. If you want the work to be accomplished very smoothly, you should have some rules, discipline. Then only you can accomplish that work smoothly. Any work, any sort of work. And in person, you should be very professional. Personality and skills, these two both things matters a lot.
Like, ma'am, this star will come under SDLC, software development lifecycle.
No, 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 no. It will
Okay.
not come. Okay, it's a
Like,
we can say
okay,
it's a personality development for that skill only. Okay,
okay.
SDLC
Like,
is different.
okay. Like, ma'am, some companies will use like agile model and Scrum
Yes.
meetings. They will use something. I
Mhm.
thought this is also that like that process.
No, no. SDLC one for this is that is for software development life cycle.
Okay.
See that for any subject also to accomplish smoothly, properly, SDLC is there. And even our the water cycle, okay, rain, how it is coming, rain, um, uh, source of water, okay, natural water is your rain, okay, how you are getting through the process only, water cycle process, okay, step by step. So for
Yes. Yes,
anything
ma'am.
to get to get the result, you have to go through the some process. So this is the process to accomplish our work or task to be done smoothly. Situation, task, action, and results. Action to be taken to resolve that. You have problem, challenges, expectations. How you are going to resolve that? So you have to, for resolving that, you have to take some actions in terms of tools, isn't it? Tools,
Yes, ma'am.
different tools according to the requirement. Testing tools for testing the different testing tools are there for testing the code. Example, then ERP model is there, ERP module, okay, and these are the different things, okay.
Okay, understood, ma'am.
Okay, next, Strength can we do on this weakness? If your weakness is blatant, so what ways is this asked? So grades, tell me about a time you failed and how you have cope up with that. What are the methods you have used it? Suppose language problem, okay. Suppose you are working on Java, okay. Suppose you are working on C++ platform. So now upcoming project is in Java. So to improve yourself, uh, you have enrolled for the Java. You have done one course for improving that, and for a method you have used for improving yourself. Lesson learned about, you have gone through the Java and you have taken that project and you have given the result. So like this, weakness and how you have resolved that, and what sort of results you have given. So this is the, and you have to resolve that, don't take it for prolong, okay. So try to resolve that problem. The weakness is your problem, how you are going to resolve it. So like this you have to say. If you don't know the, suppose you have to deal with the abroad client and you don't know French language, okay. One client is coming from abroad and he knows French. So what you will do for to impress your company and your boss, you will learn you it after 1 month. He is going to come, that client, and he knows French language. So what you will do, what efforts you will take, you will try to learn the French language. It's very easy, only for common things. And you will then he will come after 1 month. You are able to speak with that client, okay. So yeah, like this real time example you can say it. Okay, strength also one example you want to say, anyone? Strength, use real life experiences if possible. Yes, anybody want to discuss strengths?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, in the strength, as we have been discussing, like ma'am, these days it's very important to we have to keep ourselves motivating, ma'am.
Mhm.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
at the outside world, the environment, the people around, the people say, you know, you have cutthroat competition around.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
ma'am, in this cutthroat competition and in this cutthroat world, like, you know, people are really materialistic. They simply want results,
Yeah,
you know, when you look at the corporate side,
yeah,
they are not emotional, they are no way concerned
yeah,
with
yeah,
your personal problems and
yeah,
anything. So
yeah.
ma'am, we you know, because of this pandemic and because of all these job losses, so
Mhm.
ma'am, it's very important that whatever we have learned, whatever skills we have, and whatever the knowledge that we have acquired up to now, so how can we encash it, how can we you know, survive in the market.
Mhm.
So for that, ma'am, it's very important that we stay positive, we stay
Mhm.
motivated, and
Yes,
we should not always need some external source to keep ourselves motivated,
yes,
ma'am.
yes,
It's
yes,
very important, ma'am. So like these days, ma'am, these coaches, life coaches, this
yes, yes.
NLP motivational speakers, ma'am, they
Yeah,
it's also has become a career now, ma'am. Like, you
yeah, yeah,
know,
yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Usually now, like, you know, there's a certain people. Yesterday, like, I was actually reading about one of the this real time coach, some Afrin Khan. Like,
Mhm.
he's a coach to a lot of Bollywood personalities, and then
Mhm.
so actually actually a tech entrepreneur kind of stuff. So
Okay,
about the digital marketing and everything.
okay, okay.
So he was basically saying, like, without any investment, without any other thing, if your idea is really like a out of box idea, the
Mhm.
people are there to help you out. So ma'am,
Yes.
for like the greatest strength one can have, what I believe ma'am, is to
Mm.
is to have a confidence in whatever you are doing.
Mm.
And with all the external possibilities, like ma'am, see, it's very important that we put in our efforts and we strive and we look at,
Mm.
like basically ma'am, our problem is like, in everything we want a safety and security.
Mhm.
But like without taking the risk, you cannot get the result. So
Yeah,
it's like,
yeah.
our attitude should be, whatever like prerequisite requirements are there, we'll put in our effort. We'll try to do maximum for it, and then
Mm.
things will jot down and we'll get up with them some result. So now,
Yeah.
like before starting up anything, before doing any stuff, like we are more of the concern with the result of that, ma'am. So for this ma'am, in real time situations, it's very important, like ma'am, just now you gave we were discussing about an example wherein we have been given a project in another platform on which we are
Mm.
unaware about.
Yes.
So in real times we encounter a lot of such situations wherein so for that ma'am, in order to keep it keep ourselves going, and in order to meet that expectation from us, so we have to stay motivated, and there are like n number of.
Initiators, or
Yes ma'am.
we should have an initiative
Yes ma'am, we
also.
should have an initiative and we should lead,
No
and
one will
we
give
should
it,
try. Yes ma'am.
take and take this.
Yes ma'am.
You should give an initiative, and you have for internally, you have to practice for that. If you
Practice for
take
that ma'am,
initiative, you should have that guts.
it's like ma'am, study and our development is
Mhm.
like a lifelong cycle ma'am. Like
Yeah, yeah.
we learn with the experiences of life, and people usually what they think ma'am, in technology only there is a scope of learning, but that's not true ma'am. I believe that even in
Yeah,
all
in
the ways
business
of life,
also.
even in the basic teaching of the school, the methodology, everything I mean, everything, there is an evolution.
Yes,
Like
yes.
lot of stuff is changing.
Mhm.
Like
Yes.
the consistent learning and making yourself up to upgraded with current kind of things is what is the need of our mom, so we can make our strength by like why I believe that one has to be continuously keep himself like in pace with what the current market trends, what is going on,
Mhm.
and he has to keep himself motivated, and he should have a win-win attitude.
Mhm.
So these are certain things that like ma'am, it will give a very positive impact if we
Yes.
come up with
Uh,
some.
you could find a change after this pandemic.
Yes
Okay.
ma'am,
So now
lot of.
it's a revolution. Okay. A
Yes ma'am.
change in education system,
Yes
in
ma'am.
industry,
Everywhere ma'am,
everywhere.
everywhere.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
It's a
Like ma'am,
change. So
we
after
could not
10
have.
years,
Yes ma'am.
100 years, after 100,
We
I
could
will.
not have imagined ma'am how all these days we could have survived, and
Mm.
what will be the life like, even if we are absent to the school and the college or our work for a week or like 5 days, it was like a very impossible kind of scenario. We could not think of surviving, but
Yes. To
in all
survive,
this.
we have to do.
Yes ma'am. So it has given us a lot of alternative ways and approaches to come up with life. So it's really like ma'am, life teaches us the best lessons. So
Yes.
it's
Yes.
actually
Yes.
that.
So
So
two things: strength, self motivation,
yes ma'am.
and be initiators.
Yes ma'am, we initiators.
Initiative you have to take yourself.
Yes ma'am.
Then only you can proceed in your career.
Yes ma'am.
So, and you should be in learning process
Yes
also
ma'am,
every
learning
time
process, that is very important ma'am, the need of
to
our
survive
today.
in the
Yes ma'am.
market. To
Yes ma'am.
survive in the market.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Nowadays, the education system has been changed. Universities, colleges,
Yes
everything
ma'am.
is online only.
Yes ma'am.
So this will not change. Offline, it will not become.
Yes ma'am.
Offline and online, both it will
Yes,
continue.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Like I strongly believe, ma'am. Even in like lot of Gulf, I've been to a lot of like Instagram pages. They have started running this parallel online remote learning system, home-based schooling,
Yeah.
yeah, or methodology-based. Like we used to have this before, but since because of this pandemic, a lot of people are actually like still people are more of concerned with not sending the
Yes.
children out for studies. So they have already come up with an alternative initiative wherein without going to the school, like complete school and virtual environment, you will get
Virtual
everything.
learning,
Like
virtual
they have made all the like
learning.
tools. They have integrated all their system, like the calling app, everything one-on-one, like it's going on, ma'am. So
Yes.
it's like, we just we get imagined, but I believe that, in coming days, we will see all like a lot of such major changes in the methodology and the cheating system and the kind of
But our
curriculum.
Indians not accepting that abroad culture, no. Like now India is getting a revolution of changing the culture of culture changing. They are not able, they are not adopting the
Yes, ma'am.
abroad
Yes,
culture.
ma'am. I don't know, like,
Taking time.
yeah, yes. I want to say a point on this, ma'am. Like, I think you are aware about of this. There is this online coding platforms there that are very trending these days.
Okay,
So
yeah.
in that, ma'am, I heard, like, these online coding platforms are actually giving a very positive changes in the life of the students. Like, they are inculcating the life changing skills in the students. I don't know, ma'am. I have not closely look into that, but reading at various news articles. So I came up with a news article wherein, ma'am, a lot of LinkedIn and lot of the Indian corporate community, they have
Mhm.
actually made a very negative campaign they have run against these guys, stating that, these guys are really scammers. Despite a lot of study, there is no job scope, there is no job market.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
globally, the tech entrepreneurs, they are
Yes, yes,
actually
yes.
not
Entrepreneurs
yes, ma'am,
from the
they are
online.
not,
Yes.
they are not actually much interested to come up with some novel ideas and techniques, like especially for India and Asian Union countries, wherein, like for Europe and other, like native speakers, they come
Mhm.
up with lot of initiatives, and they get a lot of encouragement from the
Yes, yes, yes.
student community, parent community, as well as tech community. So this is basically like when we can say one of the, like a narrow thinking still we have, as you said,
Yeah,
ma'am. Like,
yeah, yeah.
it's a
Still,
reality, ma'am,
yeah.
what you said. Why? Because, when I look into the various prospectus and testimony of the students, and
Mm-hmm.
the kind of the feedback that our country has given, it's
Mm-hmm.
really like, ma'am, somebody is trying to upgrade us, somebody is introducing us to something very good, and we don't want to
Yes,
upgrade ourselves. It's something
yes.
like that, and they are
We
saying
want to
whoever
be
is
in old
interested.
culture.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Like, they are saying, it's not like mandatory stuff. It's saying that if you really want to, like, come up with the future challenges, then you take up this initiative. So, but they
Yes.
have given negative impact. So this is something, ma'am, as you said, our community will not accept, and our education system will not accept. 100% true, ma'am.
Yes. It takes time. It's a revolution this year because both online offline is going on. Some are change. Some are saying online is good. Offline having disadvantages, advantages also. But both in education system nowadays, both are going on, offline and online, because of the gadgets. They
Yes, ma'am.
don't
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
They cannot go for economically.
Yes, ma'am.
So to be on that path, it takes time.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
takes a long journey to have a change. Still, we are in the starting point.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope so. Things get better,
Inshallah, ma'am.
inshallah ta'ala. So we have to prepare, learn, and we have web on hand. Everything is on your palm. So go through the web, useful things. Try to adopt useful things. Don't hang out yourself in social media like that. You can do freelancers or projects on AWS and everything. AWS is having a boon. So if you want to have a career in AWS, go for that. You have time right now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah.
Yes, inshallah. Plan for that. Realize, plan that. Analyze, realize, do things. It takes time, but okay. For today, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Okay, prepare well. On Monday, we inshallah discuss this thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Jazakallah
Okay,
Assalamu
ma'am.
khair.
alaikum wa
Thank you.
rahmatullahi barakatuh.